Next time you're feeling anxious and you don't know what to do, I want you to grab your calming kit. What's a calming kit, Nichole? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's go over it. So when we live in the future, we become very anxious. When we live in the past, we become depressed. How do we stay out of those two realms? Bring yourself back to the present moment. I know it is very difficult to do that in today's day and age, but let me help you with a little trick called the calming kit. We're going to activate each of your senses to bring you back to the here and the now. This is where you cannot be anxious and you cannot be depressed. So let's activate our senses. Let's start with touch. Is there a material that makes you feel very calm when you touch it? Is it cotton? Is it silk? Do you have a favorite t-shirt? I want you to grab it and I want you to put that for your first item for your calming kit. Let's go to vision. Let's activate those eyes. Is there a picture of someone, something? It could be real, it could be imagined, and you look at the picture and immediately you feel calm. I want you to print that picture so you have it in your hand. Okay, next one is hearing. Do you have a favorite song? Do you have a favorite sound? Is it birds chirping? Is it waterfalls? Do you just have a song that you play and you immediately feel calm? I want you to make sure that it's on your playlist and ready to go at any time. Next is smell. Is there a certain scent that when you smell it, it brings you peace? Is it pine tree? Do you like the smell of fresh laundry? Do you like eucalyptus? Go and get a little candle or a little essential oil and keep that with you. And see, all along we're building our calming kit. And last but not least is taste. Do you have a favorite candy or a favorite snack? Put that in the calming kit. So now when you're feeling anxious and you start to notice your mind is taking you down the rabbit hole with all of these thoughts, grab your calming kit and I want you to activate each sense for 30 seconds. When you're done, you come back to the issue that you were thinking about originally, and I want you to notice that now that you've distracted your mind for at least 2 minutes, it is not going to feel nearly as anxious.